Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to the very first lecture of our CSS Town Planning and Urban Management series. If you are planning to appear in the CSS exams and have chosen this subject, you are in the right place. Why is town planning and urban management important? Town planning is about how cities and urban areas are designed, developed and managed. It helps us understand how cities grow, what challenges they face like housing shortages, environmental issues and traffic, and how these problems can be solved. So this subject is highly relevant for anyone who wants to improve urban living, make cities more sustainable and address the challenges of rapid urbanization in Pakistan and worldwide. Where does this subject fit in CSS? Town planning and urban management is an optional subject in group 3 of CSS. The exam is divided into part 1 and part 2. The paper carries 100 marks in total. Part 1 MCQs 20 marks, part 2 descriptive or essay questions 80 marks. So what topics are included in the syllabus? What is town planning? Meaning, aims, interdisciplinary, nature and professional connections. History of urban planning, ancient city planning, examples from Europe and river valleys, urban versus rural areas, difference, settlement types, hierarchy and environmental impact. Town planning in Pakistan, 5-year plans, master plans and regional development, managing city growth, urban expansion strategies, land use policies, regulations and ITS bases, housing and economic growth, fair development and improving life quality for underprivileged groups. Urban design and public policy, solving urban problems with economic policy, politics and design. Sustainable development and environment, protecting resources and balancing development with environmental health. And urban information tools using GIS, SPSS and digital tools for planning and analysis. How will this lecture series work? Each lecture will focus on one main topic from the syllabus. I will explain concepts in simple language using real-world examples from Pakistan and around the world. We will discuss previous exam questions, important theories and practical applications. At the end of each lecture, I will give you key points and possible exam questions to help you prepare. So why should you study this subject? Town planning is not just theory, it's about solving real life problems that affect millions of people. It's a scoring subject if you prepare well, as questions are mostly conceptual and practical. It will help you develop a deep understanding of urban issues, which is valuable for CSS and for your future career in public service. So in this lecture we will start with basics. What is town planning, its meaning, aims and goals. Thank you all for joining me in this introductory session on town planning urban management for CSS. I hope you now have a clear idea about the importance of this subject, its syllabus and how we will approach each topic together. Remember, understanding urban management is not just about passing an exam, it's about equipping yourself to make a positive impact on society. In our next lecture, we will dive deeper into the basics of town planning, exploring its meaning, aims and goals. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notification to stay updated. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning and stay motivated.